Well, it has been a volatile year for cryptocurrencies as they continue to face scrutiny from regulators, but that's not stopping companies from continuing to invest in blockchain. So what does the future look like for the space? Let's send it out to John Fort at the Code Conference, who is joined by the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse. John.
Thank you, Melissa. Brad, thanks for being here with us. And I want to start off. Your approach at Ripple is different from a lot of the other cryptocurrencies out there. You are trying to enable transactions between banks, movement of large amounts of money in a short period of time. What is the latest as far as Ripple being able to sign up banks for that vision?
Well, it's really been an incredible 2018 for us. We're now signing up more than one bank to a production contract per week. So that's really accelerated over 2017. We announced this morning that we signed the largest bank in Kuwait, the National Bank of Kuwait. So it continues to build, momentum continues to build. And the dynamic there is there's network effects. The more participants, the more value in joining. And so we're seeing that momentum build.
Now, at the same time, a lot of people, when they think of cryptocurrencies, they think of Bitcoin. You staked out arguably a different tack on that. You're trying to be useful and practical is the line that you're saying. But as I look at the charts, XRP, your currency, and Bitcoin are kind of moving very tightly correlated to one another. So what does that do to your story and the ability to sign up institutions like banks for using this for what they hope will be a stable platform?
I think it's an important question. And I think from the earliest days, Ripple kind of staked out a space that said, look, we're not anti-government. We're not working against the banks. We're not trying to circumvent regulation. Instead, we're trying to work with the system. We think the blockchain revolution is really happening, can happen from within the system. It's not going to be attacking the system. So I think you're also right that there is a lot of correlation right now between the entire crypto digital asset market, and you're not seeing that differentiation. I think that's just a matter of time as people better understand the different use cases, as people better understand the utility and the problem that's being solved with these different digital assets. There's obviously been a lot of noise, a lot of hype, and I think it's incredibly important that we stay grounded in, like, what's the real problem? Who's the customer? What's the value being created by solving that problem for those customers?